Oh my gosh, it's Gluka. Are we good? It's Gluka. We're
Oh.
getting shot at.
Kill the bastard.
Kill him, you kill him, you kill him.
Good.
Eddie, push him.
I hope I killed him.
He was bottom floor.
Pushing. I'll go out first.
That's it.
Where is
He's
he?
right there. He's peeking from behind there.
Yeah.
He's in motion.
Dead. He's dead.
Literally. He's just looking at you as you pump like 50 rounds. Of his, like...
He had no ammo, so he was just looking at me.
Dude, I don't think Tagilla spawned, I guess. Well, he's dead. Maybe.
It.
Should we
Oh,
go
maybe he's
to...
down below.
Yeah, should we go there?
Mm.
I'll just hide it in gate 3 and use check.
I might extract.
Yeah, me too.
Mission
Alright,
set.
I guess I'll check.
That was funny, right?